How to change language on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to change language on Facebook, you have to launch the Facebook app. Make sure to log in and sign into the particular account on Facebook. After that, tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you will reach on the menu section of Facebook. Scroll down and then tap Settings and Privacy. Now on this Settings and Privacy section, scroll down and then locate Language option. Tap on it, then your language of Facebook application will get listed over here. Currently, we have set the language of Facebook to device language. You can easily scroll down and then you can choose any one of those options according to your convenience. For me, English is the convenient language, so I have chosen device language. You can choose anyone according to your choice. So that is how we change language on Facebook. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.